Let us now try to analyze dataset in this software. As usual, this is JASP. Remember, JASP and jamovi are just sisters of the spss. So we have a special import. I've already imported the dataset, so there's no need for us to import again. So this is our dataset. There are as many as around 10 to roughly 10 to 13. Roughly 10 to 13 variables. So today we are going to perform a descriptive, and of course, like I said, for this particular jamovi it's even easier. So we are just going to list the variables here, like gender, customer, age, class. We can split it by the independent variable here, but sometimes there's no need for doing that. Just check the frequency table, because in most cases you will be required to find something to do with the percentages, the cumulative. So you can also check the boxes for the range, variance, interquartile range, depending on what will be asked. So this is for the bachelor degree student, masters, and most importantly PhD students, especially those who are in the School of Social Sciences. I'm not saying that those who are handling business and economics cannot be asked such, but it also depends on your lecturer preference. So let's wait for it to load. Of course, it has already loaded. N stands for the number of items, so it means that our dataset was carried out, and the respondents were around 129,880. That is what N stands for. Missing means that no if missing is 0, it means that no respondent failed to answer the questions. So we can scroll down. As you can see, we have the frequencies of gender. Female count is 65,899, male count is 63,981. You can clearly see that the female count is higher than the male count. That's why even in the percentage, the female count is 50.7%, male count is 49.3%. So you also have the customer type of travel. You can also check the difference, the frequency of class. We also have the extreme values as indicated. So let's see the plots. Of course, it is loading, and we will be able to detect how they are depicted in this particular software. For more information, always contact me for further assistance on data analysis, economics, as well as statistical training and research in general. Bye bye.